Alright, this door handle, I don't know if you hear that, don't work no more. So, I got this one. That's the part number. We're gonna get this one out. It's the 07 Yukon. So there's a spot here. See, right there. You could pry in and pop out. Probably use a little screwdriver. I'm using a little pick. Hopefully she pops out without me breaking it. There it goes. There it is. So that thing just pops in on this side and pries in on the bottom side. So put this to the side. I'm sure that's probably a 10. That's probably, I got an 8 and a 10. Here it just went definitely a 10. Let's see. I would assume the spring in the back should be a little attachment that goes to the rod to the door. Okay. And then this hopefully should pop off. Let's see how the new one is set up. Let's see if I could set you down over here. Maybe. So that's the new one. It's the same. And on the back, well, looks like there's a couple of screws that hold it in place so it doesn't pop out. Well, that sucks. So the door panel has to come off. So I know there's a little tool thing. You pop this one out. I don't know if you can see that. So somehow you pop this little guy out and then you can slide this up. And then this has to get popped out. And I think the rest is, oh, there's one back behind here too. That sucks. So let's see if I can get this one. I'll go get some more tools. So this one, if you look at it, you just pull it out, the little square, and once that's out, you just slide it off. And then this has to pry out without ripping your own nails out. Let's see. It's pretty hard with one hand. Let's go. Pretty good with this. So this one slides off. Just pull that up, this little square, and disengages it and slide it out. And then we have to pry this up. It just pops out 3 spots. You may have to disconnect it, maybe not. We'll see if we get enough slack to get to the bolts. And this piece was down in here, and your door handle holding in 2 more bolts. So that's where we're at. And I believe, I don't think there's one in the reflector down here, but there may be. I believe that's it. This thing's really... What the heck? It's weird. Alright, let's see. Maybe with the screwdriver. Kind of deep in there. She's gonna move it. Should probably roll down the window. And then, because you're gonna have to get it right here up against the glass. So let's roll down the window. Good thing we didn't disconnect it yet. And now let's see. That's 1, 2. Let's keep it going. All the way around. 3, 4. Those are fun. 5. That one's really stuck. Oh, there's one behind this thing. Let's see. Nope, just stuck. Okay. Let's see, is there a bolt here? Shouldn't be. Because this thing's broken and I put some tape on it. Maybe there's something there. Let's move the tape. Retape it. And no, there isn't. Just retaping it for no reason. But maybe it'll come out a little easier. Let's see. I doubt that that's a pry thingy. Jingle there. Let's see. No. So let's try at the bottom. Hey, there's another one. Down here. This tool is awesome. There you go. I really can't fight those. Yep. That's the way to do it. Alright. So there's a gazillion of those. Pretty good for one hand. There's some little guys over here on the side. That one. And that one. Which I got an 8mm. Let's see. Did I guess right? No, smaller than 8. Okay. Well, I'll go get some tools. Stand. So these inside door ones are 7s. And there's 2 of them. Leave this one over here. Now the tricky part is gonna get this thing to loosen up so that you can get this off. So you gotta swing it out. And then get that one in. I'm gonna have to set you down. So if you look inside, of here, there's some shit in there you have to squeeze, but you can't do with your one hand. So I'm gonna take it all apart and I'll show you. Alright, so as a squeeze deals, so you need the pliers to get it in there and fit it back into here, slide it in. But first you gotta drop your little ball into here. So you would drop your ball in here, turn it, and line it up. But now you need to get this piece over here, and with one hand you ain't doing it.